Very much giving, siguro. Yun yung term ko for this year. And kasi GMA has been very good to me. I mean, yung support and projects and roles na given to me by GMA is nararamdaman ko na inaalagaan talaga nila ako. And I'm just so happy to be with them. And thankful din kasi hindi nasasayang kung ano yung meron akong talents na i-offer sa viewers.
Narinig namin you have a movie.
Yes, 10,000 hours sa December 25 na po kasama ko po si Kuya Robin Padilla and of course directed by Binibining Joyce Bernal.
I was working with Robin Padilla on this movie.
Sobrang alam mo yun, down to earth, mabait, talagang nagbibigay advice. Ang tawag niya sa akin, anak. So nakaka-flatter kasi of course Robin Padilla na yun and I'm just starting, so I'm happy na nabigyan ako ng chance makatrabaho si Kuya Robin and sana masundan and hopefully next time mas challenging projects and mas okay yung magiging mga eksena namin.
Please tell us something about your role dito sa...
It's a young policeman and actually yung role niya is, my role is for some flashback lang dun sa movie, but it would help dun sa transition ng story kasi halos dun nag-start kung ano yung naging character ng future. May isang character dun na parang batang ako, so abangan po nila yun.
Di ba sabi ba tuloy-tuloy na to action movie na ang gagawin mo?
I'm open sa lahat po talaga eh. I don't close my doors, I don't choose roles kasi parang that's a sign of a weak actor eh. Parang when you choose what you're gonna do, parang pinipili mo lang kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. So ako, I see to it na kung ano yung i-offer sa akin na role, I take it, I use it to my advantage and I offer something new kasi ang hirap na isang acting lang, isang roles lang ang pinapakita sa viewers, nakakasawa. Kung ako yung viewers, magsasawa ako sa ganung klaseng artista. So ako po talagang continue reinventing and kahit anong roles pa yan, basta maganda yung script and story, okay ako.
First MMMF mo to, di ba?
Yes po.
Kamusta?
Third.
Kamusta? At part ka pa rin ng MMMF?
Masaya po kasi parang naging, since I started showbiz, naging routine na yung every year, nasa Metro Manila Film Fest kami. Doon kami nagbibisperas, like to the 24th, and then after nun, my family and I, dinner lang somewhere in Ross Boulevard. Tapos yun, parang naging lifestyle na rin namin since I started showbiz.
Eh ngayon busy ka, di ba? For the MMMF. Ano namang plans mo this coming Christmas?
Ayan, of course, spend time with family pa rin and hopefully do a little charity work sa Home for the Aged and for the Children. And yun, siguro exchange gifts, pero most of my time siguro punta sa charity and then sa family.
Your wish this coming Christmas?
Ayun lang, sana good health lang, kagaya ng health ko this past years. Hindi ako nagkasakit, never ako nagkaroon ng heavy sickness and sana maging mabilis na yung pag-recover ng Tacloban from Typhoon Yolanda.
Ano ang magandang gift na na-receive mo for the past Christmas during your showbiz days?
Siguro po yung yung continuous blessings, continuous endorsements, and yung mga shows na nabibigay sa akin, more than enough na po yun for me. That's more than a gift. It's a blessing talaga.
Kahabula, traditional dish. Usual na every year talaga na kailangan na sa kapagkainan nyo. Sa Pasko
Siyempre ham po, di ba? Wala na. Ham saka crema de fruta ng cake. Yun.
Favorite mo talaga yan?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Alvin.
Salamat.